So, just got the generator in. I let it run for a bit and warm up with no load on it, and then I came out here and I plugged the cord into the trailer to get a slight load on it for a bit. Right now it's just running the battery tender and that LED light right there. It starts really easy. It's very easy to pull. It's very light for what it is. Changing the oil, yeah, you do have to tip it on its side to drain the oil out, but it's not too hateful. It's very quiet when it's just sitting here running with not that much of a load on it. Now, what I'll do is I'll first kick on the fridge, the little mini fridge. It's kind of weird how it idles up there a little bit. Now, put a real load on it here. Let's kick the microwave on for a sec. It does get pretty loud when you put a heavy load on it. We had I think it's a Yamaha 1600 running 2000 starting watt generator, and under full bore like that, running all this. It's definitely a lot quieter, but when you're down here on economy mode, the lower idle, it's not too much different. But definitely when you start kicking some appliances on, this definitely is a lot louder than the Yamaha that we use. But so far so good. One thing I wasn't aware of when buying it is seeing it had the 12 volt DC outlet on it. It does come with an adapter, so you can plug a 12 volt outlet into there, and then it has alligator clips on the other end to be able to put on a 12 volt battery, like a Carb battery, and charge it up. It's not gonna jump start. It even says that in the instructions. It's only like I think it's like, what is it, 8 amp DC 8 amp that it charges at. So it would, if you have a dead car battery, I mean, you could use that, but it would take a while if it was fully dead. But yeah, that's my initial thoughts on it so far. As I said, for what it is, though, it's pretty good. It's really light. I can pick it up easily with one hand, carry it around. It's quiet when it's idling down low like this, but like I said, once you start kicking on a lot of things, she definitely screams a lot louder than the Yamaha that we have, the Yamaha inverter generator. But yeah, so far so good. Anything changes, I'll update it.